So the battery in our key fob for the BMW i3 died, and we're going to show you how to replace it today. Okay, so to replace the battery in your BMW i3 key fob, you're first going to want to turn it over. There's a button on the back. That's your key release. When you push that down, the key comes out. And then if you look here, this is your battery cover, and there's a little lip down here. You can use the key to pop the lip off, and then the lid will pop itself right off. And you can find these batteries right on Amazon. We'll put a link below. You get your new battery ready, and then you can pop your old battery out. Take note that the positive side is on the outside, and you put the negative side down. Then you can put your lid back on. Put your key back. Once that's secure, you're ready to go. Your key fob should be in working order again.